How to create a webhook on Discord. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and just like that, open up Discord and then log into your account. Once you logged in, you want to go ahead and simply go to your server where you have administrator permission or you are the server owner. After that, you can go ahead and simply open the channel you want to create webhook and then tap on edit channel right over here. And just like that, from the left hand side menu, simply tap on integration. Here you will be able to find options like webhook and channel integration. Under webhook, you're gonna go ahead and simply tap on create webhook, and this board will instantly generate a new webhook for that channel. You can now rename the webhook right over here and just like that, upload a profile picture and even change which channel it's connected to. When you're ready, you can simply tap on copy webhook URL to use it with apps, bot, and automation services. You can also create multiple webhooks or delete one if you no longer need it. Webhooks let external app and websites send messages directly into your Discord server without needing a bot, making them perfect for notification and automations. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.